your connection in Southern Oregon and Northern California. This is News 10 at 6.
Good evening, I'm Trish Close.
I'm Rick Tillery. Thanks for joining us. Some Jackson County employees who were on the chopping block may get a break.
A new contract between the Jackson County Sheriff's Office and its employee association now in place. An arbitration judge siding with the county. News 10's Caitlin Conrad looks into what it all means in tonight's top story at 6. Caitlin?
Good evening, Rick, Trish. Jackson County Sheriff's employees found out today that the county arbitrator ruled in favor of the county. Union representatives say it's a big loss for the Sheriff's Department, but county commissioners say they're delighted.
We feel very good.
Jackson County Commissioner Don Skundrich says the arbitrator's ruling means the Sheriff's Office probably won't be seeing any layoffs.
We'll be able to rescind most, if not all, of those 67 or 66 layoff notices.
Skundrich says the decision will also save the county money it didn't have.
It would have been an accumulative retro, and we would have had a huge chunk of money to pay before the end of this fiscal year, which we did not have in the budget.
The decision, a blow to the union, despite the lack of layoffs. Union Representative Ben Fazio says starting in October, members will also start seeing a $350 cut in their pay due to the cost of benefits. He says the county got a huge victory over us. But Skundrich sees it as a win for the public.
We're thrilled to death that those employees will still be employees of Jackson County if they choose to stay.
Fazio says there are employees who already have plans to quit because they can't afford the new deal. The sheriff's agreement includes no cost of living increases for 2011 and 2012, but does include up to a 2% raise for 2013. The decision was a blow to the union. Now, this current negotiation only covers up until June 30th. Come July, they're going to go back to the negotiating table, and Fazio says this time he thinks there will be cuts. Covering your news live in Medford, Caitlin Conrad, News 10.
Meanwhile, Jackson County Sheriff's Employee Association still trying to figure out what's next. It says the way the arbitration was handled undermined the association. Layoff notices an attempt to bust the union. President Ben Fazio claims the county even threatened the arbitrator with legal action if he did not choose the county's plan. Commissioners say they don't know anything about the threat.
There are all kinds of things being thrown around. So let's just, from my point of view, let's just deal with reality, and this is where we're at, threatening the arbitrator.
Association leaders are meeting Wednesday to go over the new deal and its options. A larger meeting of members will be held within the next few weeks.